Now in this tutorial I will show you how to use and when use include and include underscore once or require and require underscore once, okay, and what is the difference between them. And also one day in our previous tutorial I have discussed that what is the difference between include and require, okay. You can check my previous tutorial, you will get the link in my video description, okay, and that will help you to easily understand this tutorial. However, let's go to see live that when use include and include once or when use require and require underscore once, okay. First open your jump control panel, start Apache and MySQL, go to your folder directory htdocs or fast folder, edit with notepad++. This is a block, you can see it's a very simple template. I hope if you check my previous tutorial you already know about that. Just delete it. In our cookie tutorial I have showed about that. However, PHP include and include once and require once, okay. In our block, open your browser, write just localhost / your folder name, okay. In your folder directory you can see this is our first folder, my first PHP project. Here just create a file. Suppose I am creating a file just as example. Suppose I write first.php, something like that. You can write anything and edit with notepad++. Here just write a PHP block and echo I am fast, something like that I write here, and first include this file. You can see this file is root directory, okay, but if your file is another folder, I hope you already know. If you use another folder, suppose I can write it another folder or something like that. Here I am showing you. Here first write include, okay. I hope you already know about that, how to include file, because in our previous part I have discussed about it. However, here just write the file name. You can see first.php because our file is root directory, but if your file is another folder, first here write your folder name, then your slash, then your file name, okay, but our file is root directory, so here just write first.php, this file name, okay, first.php, and refresh your browser. You can see I am fast, this text is printed here because here I have write echo I am fast in our first PHP file, okay. So you can see file is included and printed successfully. But suddenly if you include your file double, okay, when you work with big project, I mean enterprise level project, then you need to work with huge included file, okay. So suddenly if you include double file, suppose I include again this file, okay, include first.php, I include again first.php and refresh. You can see again printed first.php. If I include again suppose first.php, you can see printed again I am fast, I am fast, I am fast, 3 times printed, okay. But how to avoid this? For avoiding it, just use here, if you refresh again and again, you can see it's the same results, okay. But if you use here, suppose include underscore once, okay, include underscore once, include, it will include a file, but when you use include underscore once, it will check that this file is already exist, I mean included. When include underscore once use, it will check the file that already, that when include underscore once can find that for this file is already included, it will stop including, okay. But when it's not get included file, then it will run, okay. Suppose you can refresh here, you can see 2 times printed, and again if I write here, just remove or write include once as you wish and refresh, you can see I am fast is printed 1 time, okay. But if you remove include once, it will print it double time, okay, because we are included this file 2 times, okay. And for just use here include once and it will check that this file is already included, so include once, this file don't include again. Okay, you can see I am fast is one time printed. Okay, and as like same in require, if you use require this file and require again and again, you can see double time printed. Okay, but if you write one, it will one I am fast, and again you will get the double time, and refresh double time printed, cause we have required this file double time. And if you write here require underscore once, it will check that this file is already exist or in required, and it will stop required this file. Okay, you can see, just refresh, you can see one time printed. Okay, so I hope you understand that when use require and when use require once or include once. Okay, so thank you, practice it, and also you will learn about it more and understand about it more when I will show you the live project. Okay.